Hi everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to create and use guidelines in Matesub. To create custom guidelines, start by navigating to the Guidelines section in your project dashboard. Click on New Guideline and insert a name. Here you can define specific rules for subtitle appearance, such as positioning, font, and timing constraints. These guidelines ensure consistency and meet your project's specific requirements. At the end, save by clicking Save Guideline. Once you've set up your guidelines, apply them to your project by selecting the desired guidelines profile from the drop-down menu in the project settings. This will automatically enforce the defined rules across all subtitles in your video, maintaining uniformity and adherence to your standards. And that's it! You've successfully created and applied custom guidelines in Matesub. Thanks for watching and happy subtitling with Matesub!